Can we enable and use VR mode in YouTube? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. Now previously YouTube did have the feature of using VR on our mobile phones, but is it still available now? Let's find out. So first, let us open up our YouTube. After you open up your YouTube, let us simply search for VR videos. Now let me search for VR videos 360, and after any one VR videos come up, let me just open that up. So as you can see right here, the VR video is now loading. Now inside this, previously there used to be a VR option on the bottom right corner. Currently there is no such option. Let us head over to our settings. Now let us go to our advanced settings, and even there is no such option. Now if you tap on the three dots, there is still no option and you can't cast anything. Now you can use your VR if you just select a device and then cast your YouTube video on there. But if it's not working, it's okay. Let us head over to our gallery and search for it. So let's search for youtube.com and then again check out our VR videos. So search for VR video. After you open it up, just open up a video. So let's give it time to load, and there we go. So even here, there is no such option such as the VR mode that YouTube previously had. So I hope this video answers your question that the VR mode is not usable and it's not available currently on YouTube. So that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.